another legacy, which I'm sure all of you will laugh, even before I mention, was the removal of Sunusi, Lamido Sunusi from office. When you took that bold step, it created bad blood. But when he mentioned that 49-point-something billion was lost in your government, in my mind I say, no, you could have discussed with him privately. You could have given him this clue, and then he will know how to investigate even before those who have stolen the money will find a way of hiding the money. So that statement, I said in my mind, it was not honorable. And when you removed him, it created bad blood. And let me tell you, Sunusi was later appointed Taban at the Emir of Kano, not because he was the best man, but because by appointing him, that was to retaliate what Jonathan did to him. That was in order to prove Jonathan that what he did was wrong, and the people of Kano wanted their son, and therefore they decided to appoint him as the Emir of Kano. But you know that when he was appointed, there was a lot of demonstration, a lot of burning tires here and there. And yet, because of government backing, he sustained those two. When I became the governor, that is why you will laugh. I said, yes, Jonathan's medicine is an important medicine. That medicine, even though I'm not a medical doctor, but that medicine will serve the same purpose of the same disease and of the same patient. So I took my Jonathan medicine and decided to save the system, to save the institution, and applied it effectively. And Jonathan were on the same page. I'm sure you had no regret. I too have no regret.